I always told my children that when you die, you become a butterfly. That's how a video I made long ago began. Some part of us lifts and drifts into the unseen, carried on the wind. Yesterday the Admiral butterflies returned to the garden. Not just one, but a whole gathering of them, fluttering through the lilacs, circling my head like familiar spirits. They moved with purpose, lingering as if they had something to say. I stood still, watching, listening without needing words. And from many years of living with loss, I know now they tend to appear exactly like this, not by accident. They arrive quietly, beautifully, and just when the heart is most open to seeing them. They don't come when called, but they come when needed, like a soul passing through. June has a softness to it. The air is thick with scent and silence. You can't see the wind, but you feel it. Brushing your skin, tugging at old memories you thought were buried. Everything feels suspended, as if time itself is holding its breath. Take a breath, a real one. Let the world around you fade for a moment. Just be here. Can you hear it? The way the wind weaves through the leaves, soft, steady. You might not see it, but you feel it. A gentle brush across your face, a whisper lifting your hair. It moves in places we forget we even carry. Those quiet spaces just beneath thought. That's where it starts. Let the wind reach you. Let it do what words can't. Look at the beaches, that light green shimmer. So alive, trembling slightly in the breeze. Rest your eyes there for a while. That shade of green. It's not just lovely, it's healing. It slows the pulse. It eases the noise inside. It reminds you you don't need to do anything right now. Just be. Let that color wash over you. Let the forest hold you like it's held me again and again. And the trees, they are not just trees. They're old friends, pillars between sky and soil, always listening, always remembering. They hold sunlight in their leaves. They know the rhythm of the sun, of storms we can't see but feel somewhere deep inside. Right now, a solar storm is moving across the sky. You might not notice it with your eyes, but your body does. The trees do, the butterflies do. That quiet hum inside you, that tug towards stillness, it's all connected. So let it in. Let this walk be a soft reset. Let the wind untangle you. Let the green draw you home to yourself. This place, these woods, aren't just beautiful. They are alive with meaning, with memory. Every time I walk here, I remember who I am beneath the noise. I've come here since I was a child. These paths have seen me through joy and grief. They have taught me that nothing lasts, but nothing really lasts either. Even the hardest days become part of something wider, something with rhythm and grace. Walk gently, breathe deeply. Let the forest come to you. It has something to tell you, not in words, but in the language your body has always known. I was once between worlds, lying in a hospital bed, breath fading. That's when I saw it, a light, immense, gentle, alive. And beside me, tall white beings made of light and stillness. They weren't there to take me, just to remind me it wasn't time. And I came back, changed forever. Since then I've felt them, in dreams, in nature, in silence. When I truly listen, they're there. And I've stopped doubting. The line between here and there, it's not a wall, it is a doorway. The more we reconnect with nature, the more we remember who we are. Not just bodies, not just thoughts, but frequencies vibrating through this human form, guided to something bigger. Many haven't felt it yet, but they will. One still moment, one crack in the routine, and something wakes up. And then you begin to ask, is this the life I want? Or is there another road, quieter, deeper, truer? Let the wind carry that question. Let the green hold your thoughts, because here in this light, in this stillness, there is a love that never left. You just forgot how to see it. So pause, look around and ask yourself, is it worth it? Or is there another way, a road through the forest that leads you not forward, but home? And if you're still holding questions about life, about purpose, about why the path has unfolded the way it has, be patient. The answers will come. Not as loud declarations, but as a quiet knowing. They will rise with the wind you cannot see, as you walk beneath the green beaches, in the forest that remembers more than we ever will. This is where the unseen speaks, where the roots reach for your feet, and the light touches your face just enough to remind you, you were never truly lost. You were simply waiting for nature to call you back. And the time is now. Now is the moment to allow it to open, to soften, to remember. Don't be afraid to step outside the boxes humanity made. Don't be afraid to stand out from the crowd, to live gently, to feel deeply, to reach out when another soul is breaking. You may be the one who holds their hand in a moment when everything else falls away. And in doing so, you become the difference, the light, the quiet miracle they didn't know they were waiting for. Let yourself be that. Let yourself return. There's something shifting in us, a quiet sensitivity, building beneath the surface of humanity. You can feel it, can't you? In the way old systems begin to crack, in the heaviness that suddenly feels too heavy to carry, in the strange beautiful urge to wake up. We're entering a time where pretending no longer works. The noise, the roles, the distractions we once clung to, they're falling away. Not to punish us, but to return us. Because here's the truth. We are not separate from the earth. And when her frequencies rise, especially in days of solar storms, they rise in us too. You may feel it in your sleep, in your nervous system, in the questions that echo louder than before. And here's where we stand. We can rise with these frequencies or fight against them. Resist and feel the ache of disconnection, or surrender and remember what we've always known. Nature isn't whispering fairy tales, it's speaking truth. Raw, clear, ancient truth. You've always been connected. You've always been capable of more. You weren't born to numb your way through this life. You were born to feel it, to grow through it, to wake up fully. And now, as the sun sets, you can. I will be available for personal guidance starting at the end of July 2025 over on Hipsy. This channel will still remain a free space, a place for everyone who feels connected through YouTube. I'll continue to share here, and I'll update you when I go live or open for sessions on Hipsy. Until then, stay close to nature and stay kind and shine your light.